The 2026 Caterpillar 973 is more than just a track loader. It's the evolution of performance, durability, and next-level technology in one unstoppable machine. Built for the toughest jobs and engineered with intelligence, this loader redefines what's possible on the job site. Whether you're pushing, loading, digging, or grading, the new CAT 973 combines brute strength with cutting-edge innovation to give you control, power, and efficiency like never before. Let's dive into why the 2026 CAT 973 is turning heads across the construction world and what makes it an absolute game-changer in the earthmoving category. Under the hood, the CAT 973 boasts a high-performance CAT C 9.3B engine, delivering up to 275 horsepower of raw power. This Tier 4 final, Stage 5 compliant engine doesn't just pack a punch. It's engineered for fuel efficiency and lower emissions, making it one of the cleanest and most sustainable machines in its class. The upgraded powertrain is designed to handle the most extreme applications while providing smoother transitions, stronger torque, and unmatched responsiveness. Whether you're working in mud, sand, rock, or rough terrain, the new transmission system keeps power on the ground and performance at maximum levels. The operating weight of the 973 has been optimized for balance, allowing for better traction and improved ground stability. Its refined undercarriage with sealed and lubricated track links extends service life and lowers maintenance time, keeping your downtime minimal and your productivity sky-high. And with a rated load capacity of nearly 7 cubic yards, this machine moves more material in fewer passes, cutting job completion times drastically. It's not just about raw stats, it's about real-world impact. This loader is built to keep moving when others stall. Step into the cab of the 2026 973 and you'll realize this is where heavy machinery meets modern luxury. The operator environment has been completely redesigned with ergonomic seating, intuitive controls, and ultra-quiet insulation. Every inch of the cabin is built to reduce operator fatigue while maximizing visibility and control. The large touchscreen monitor puts machine data, load monitoring, and performance tracking at your fingertips. From the joystick controls to customizable work modes, everything has been engineered for efficiency and ease. But the biggest leap forward is in the technology. The 2026 CAT 973 features fully integrated CAT grade control with 3D, allowing you to hit precise grade targets faster and more accurately. The onboard Smart Tech reads terrain, adjusts blade angles, and gives real-time feedback, reducing rework and wasted fuel. With CAT Link and Product Link Elite, managers can track machine location, hours, fuel usage, and maintenance schedules remotely in real time. It's not just a loader, it's a smart system that's connected, predictive, and optimized for every job. For safety, Caterpillar didn't cut any corners. The 973 includes 360-degree camera coverage, LED lighting for night work, and an advanced operator presence detection system. There are proximity sensors that alert the operator of nearby hazards, plus a reinforced ROPS cab structure to provide maximum protection in the event of a rollover. CAT has even included remote diagnostics and over-the-air software updates, meaning fewer service calls and more uptime. This is safety, performance, and productivity, working in perfect harmony. Fuel efficiency has seen a major boost in the 2026 model, with new eco-mode settings and an auto-idle shutdown feature. Operators can customize the engine response and hydraulic power to match the task, which means you're not burning unnecessary fuel during light-duty cycles. These savings add up over time, especially on large fleet operations. In a world where every drop of diesel counts, the CAT 973 helps owners cut costs while staying green and compliant. Versatility is another area where the 973 dominates. Whether you're handling demolition debris, clearing land, feeding crushers, or loading trucks, this machine can do it all. The quick coupler system allows operators to switch attachments in seconds, from buckets to forks to rippers. One machine, dozens of rolls. This is the kind of flexibility that contractors dream about. You're no longer managing multiple machines for multiple tasks. The 973 takes care of it with speed and ease. Servicing the 2026 CAT 973 is easier than ever, with ground-level access to all major service points. The machine features grouped grease points, swing-out cooling packs, and a redesigned engine bay that simplifies oil checks and filter changes. With CAT's extensive dealer network and remote support tools, keeping your machine in top condition has never been more straightforward. You get less time in the shop and more time doing what the 973 was born to do: move dirt fast. In terms of durability, Caterpillar's legendary build quality holds strong. Heavy-duty frames, reinforced buckets, and high-strength steel components ensure this machine will last for thousands of hours under the harshest conditions. The CAT 973 is not a machine you replace every few years. It's a long-term investment in reliability, performance, and unmatched value. From the bushings to the hydraulics, every component has been tested, refined, and perfected for maximum endurance. So why is the 2026 CAT 973 the talk of the industry? It's the total package. It brings together size, speed, strength, and smarts in a way no other track loader can. It reduces fuel costs, boosts operator comfort, improves job site safety, and delivers more material faster. Whether you're running a one-machine operation or managing a fleet of earth movers, the 973 fits right in. And with Caterpillar's continued commitment to support and innovation, you're not just buying a machine, you're investing in a future of productivity and profitability. When you fire up the CAT 973 and drop the bucket into the ground, you feel it immediately. This isn't just metal and hydraulics, it's engineering genius. It's Caterpillar's vision of the future, and it's here right now. The 2026 CAT 973 doesn't just get the job done. It dominates the job site. Whether you're a veteran operator or a new hand behind the controls, this machine is going to impress you, push your capabilities, and elevate your productivity to a whole new level. Buckle up, because the future of heavy equipment is roaring, and it's wearing a CAT logo.